guys, hi everybody. I just need your help to see what's going on with my bike after the big raining. I started up, I ride for like 10 minutes. There was big storm raining, and now it started dying on me, and now it started up and it started very good, but when I give it gas, look what's happening. They are. I'm not touching. Please help me. Let me know what's you think is the fuel pump, or I just change the spark plugs and do the oil change, and the steel. Sometimes when I give it gas, just die on me. Look. Please help me. Let me know. Can't hear it. Thank you, guys.